I'm talking about other counties. We're doing comparative.
But that is
the one county.
Okay, now we have to address.
I will go Nandi.
The fact that Nandi collects 200 million does not give us governor to look down upon us.
Yeah, no, we're not looking down, Chair. That wasn't right what I'm saying.
No, he's trying to cast aspersion in public that I don't have capacity to question 200 million. Is it fair, Chair? And he cannot collect 50 billion.
Let's make progress.
What is he saying?
Let's make progress.
I withdraw that.
Apologize. Chair, I must withdraw and apologize.
I apologize profusely.
Okay.
Let us make progress.
I think we need to make progress, but Governor, first of all, never look for praise for doing what you're supposed to do. That's your job.
No commendation.
Number two, no. Number two, if you are the tallest amongst dwarfs, you don't look for praise, because to whom much is given, much is expected.
Yes.
You have a revenue potential of over 60 billion shillings. You have had conversations with us on how we can help as a Senate for you to realize this money. Please, let us focus on that. Nobody's going to praise you in the Senate.
No,
you know that.
We go our own trumpet because it's complicated.
You can blow it out there, but
we know the challenge.
Okay, let's make progress, Governor, Senator. Let's make progress. And go to number 3, irregular bank charges audit.